Recently, I bought an FPV drone. Now, the two most popular ways of flying FPV are Freestyle FPV and Cinematic FPV. Now, what Freestyle is when you get in a rhythm and a flow and you do big power loops and you do tricks and you get really close and fly through gaps, and it really is a hard type of flying. And while it is super high intense and really fun and cool for Instagram, it's not necessarily what clients are going to want when filming for them. Now, Cinematic FPV is a lot more smooth and more planned out than Freestyle. This is going to allow you to get those super smooth shots that clients are wanting, whether it's chasing a car, showcasing a restaurant, or just showcasing a whole landscape, but in a more unique way. If you've been watching my recent FPV content, I've been really leaning into more of the Freestyle type of flying. And the drone I've been using to accomplish that is the DJI Avata 2. And this is not what we consider a Freestyle drone. This is considered a Cinewhoop. Cine as in cinematic. And one of the disadvantages of this drone is that if you do a freestyle line, it will tend to fall out of the sky.
Whoa, 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 see? If you get too wild and saucy with it, it does that, it freaks out.
And by no means does that mean this drone is a bad drone. It just means it's not meant to fly freestyle. It's meant to fly cinematic lines. So I decided I wanted to go out and do what this drone was built to do. In order to pull this off, I needed to find a really cool spot in and around where I lived. And the easiest way that I've found to find cool spots is hopping onto Google Maps. And after about 15 minutes, I landed on this really cool dual bridge spot that could offer a lot of cool cinematic shots. So once I made my decision, I grabbed my gear and headed out.
Okay, so I just pulled up to the spot and honestly, it's looking really sick. So there's obviously bridge number 1 here and then bridge number 2 over here, which has the walking path along it. And this one has like all those like the trestle, wow, I can't speak, the trestle, all the freaking beams and stuff like that. And honestly, it looks super sick. I'm thinking already right here could be a cool line, like fly through here, rip down in and then down the path, which is super, super, super long. Like as you can see, it goes all the way down there. The only thing we got to worry about really is the river. It has been warm out lately, so I don't know how frozen the river is, and we cannot go onto the ice to get it because I don't want to fall in. Honestly, looking at the ice, it doesn't look too bad. Obviously, it is not super frozen. We're not walking on it, but in the event of the drone actually going and crashing on it, then we it should hold the ice if we can flip it back over or if it bounces. But man, if I had like we'll have to come back here, but we have a small FPV drone, like a micro drone. We could totally gap that. It'd be tight, but that center one, it'd be kind of cool to try. So maybe we'll have to come back here when I get maybe a mini whoop or something and rip through that. But now one thing I'm trying to think about when flying the FPV drone and like thinking about the shots that I want to get, like the smooth shots, is I'm thinking about like regular photography kind of terms, like a leading line. So obviously ripping down here will look really cool. Even ripping up beside this, like at an angle, could be really, really cool. And just trying to plan the shot a little bit before I just go in and just start flying. So obviously going underneath this big bridge, flying down this path is one. Flying through these gaps could be one. And then just trying to plan out like what kind of shot would look good. I'm excited. Let's get right into flying and see what I created here.
If you think you should start creating, you are right. For years, you have wanted to grow and create for yourself. And for years, you put it off. You waited. You tried to make things perfect. And the result was half-finished projects, watching others grow while you stayed in the same place. 2026 isn't just about growth. It's about taking it seriously, going all in, taking the steps to become the person you've always wanted to be. Waiting won't do anything for you. Starting is the only real option. So take that leap. Take action. When you're tired, keep going. Remind yourself why you're doing it, why you love it so much. You won't always have the motivation to keep going, but that's where discipline comes in. You have to train your mind to keep going even when you're tired. That is how you know you'll become the best version of yourself. And one day, you'll look back at all the things you've done and know you put your all into it.
you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And until next time, peace out.